In this video explains how to create Bybit accounts step by step. Even if it's your first time using a cryptocurrency exchange, you can easily sign up by following this video. First, install and run the Bybit app. Click the sign up button. Select your nationality and click continue. Before entering your email address here, first enter the most important referral code. Enter the code displayed on the screen directly. You can also copy and paste the code from the description box below the video. You must enter this code to receive a 20% discount on transaction fees and various reward benefits. Enter the email address you want to use and click Sign Up Now. Complete the puzzle verification. Check your email inbox. The verification code sent from Bybit should be there. Copy this code and paste it into the Bybit app. Set your password and click on Sign Up Now. Now proceed with identity verification to trade on Bybit. This process takes about 7 minutes and requires a government-issued ID or passport. Click the Verify button, select your country of residence, choose the type of ID, and then press the button below. Once the verification is complete, you can receive a reward of $20, allow camera access, and then press Continue. Press again and take a clear photo of your ID. Check the photo and press Submit. The following is a selfie verification. If you look straight ahead according to the on-screen instructions, the capture will be completed. Once this process is finished, the identity verification review will begin. The review is usually completed within an hour, and if passed, you can check the verified mark in the profile menu. Now, finally, let's proceed with the security verification. For account safety, click here and then move to the Security tab. Click on the Google Authentication tab. Enter the authentication code sent to your email. Now install the Google Authenticator app. Search for Google Authenticator. Install the app and run it. Press the plus button in the bottom right and select Enter Setup Key. Return to Bybit, click Continue. Copy your 16-digit key, then go back to Google Authenticator and paste it. The account name is set to Bybit. If you click on Add, a 6-digit verification code that changes every 30 seconds will be generated. Return to Bybit, click Next, and enter the corresponding code here. The security settings are complete. Now the Bybit registration and all account settings are complete. You can start trading at the Bybit by depositing or sending coins. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.